everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. Oh my gosh, I'm here with my friend and collaborator, Lenny Pinna.
Good day.
And I am so excited because we are going to be sharing the Goose Creek recipe down home candle collection. Thank you so much to Goose Creek for sending this for the occasion. I got you a beverage.
Oh, nice.
In our beautiful mugs here.
Smart bath.
You ever fish paw?
Yeah, Ma. How about them recipes?
Have you ever gone fishing?
Yeah, when I was a youngin.
When you were a youngin? Did you ever cook the fish that you caught?
I didn't. We cooked the fish that my father caught.
I caught you off guard.
The catfish. We love catfish.
Yeah.
Good eating. Good eating. They say.
Good eating.
In Pennsylvania, they say good eating.
Well, I caught my own fish.
You did?
And I cooked my own fish.
Good for you.
I know. I did.
Wow.
I'm a lot more talented than you knew.
I hated putting the worm on the hook.
Oh, I liked that. I was good at the worm. I was good at the worm, and I was good at, like, you cook them outside, like on a open fire. We did perch though.
Ooh,
and bass.
Yeah. We like catfish.
Mm-hmm. Well, speaking of recipes, we don't have any fish candles today, sadly. But we
that's
do.
Good.
But we do have some down home good cooking. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You're going to be hungry after this.
For sure.
So, I don't know, who wants to dig in first?
We have to start with Farmhouse breakfast.
Farmhouse breakfast! All right!
Yeah.
All right, I'm ready for this one.
Yeah. With our eggs there.
Yes. Should we play the game? Is it raw or hard boiled?
No, I know.
Will you smack it on your forehead and then if it's...
Oh, you know what? I had a hard boiled egg. I could have brought it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's okay.
All right.
We'll just auto chicken.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
You ready?
Farmhouse breakfast, and I think there's no eggs in this.
Mm-mm.
This is warm, fluffy pancakes, hickory smoked bacon.
I know!
And sweet maple syrup. Look at that packaging.
I'm hungry.
For sure.
I got breakfast.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Mmm.
You make the right one first.
I love this kind of breakfast. Oh, wow. You get the hickory smoked bacon.
I know! And it's not artificial either. It's so beautiful.
Pancakes and maple. Ooh, that is really good. That's good. That's breakfast.
I love this one. I'll have to say, the touch of bacon in there is beautiful, and it's not overpowering.
No, it is. Oh man, this is definitely making me hungry. Wow.
Okay,
I like that.
Which one do I want to do? I am going to go for this one.
Okay.
Caramel pecan pie. Check that one out. This one is, oh, see, I'm not wearing my bifocals. I can't see. I have to do this. Glazed pecans, warm caramel, and flaky pie crust. This is incredible. Like, I literally want to go to the restaurant and start eating.
The pie crust is so quick.
Yeah.
It's not as strong. It's more subtle than I would expect. Yeah. The crust is what comes first. Then, pecan.
I get more sugar. I get more caramel.
I'm not getting as much. I'm not getting as much pecan as I.
Pecan. Pecan.
Yeah. I don't know if that would come out with the lighting.
Yeah.
Because I'm getting more of the caramel and the pastry crust. Yes. Because you know what? Those Goose Creek candles I reviewed recently. What came out was the pecan.
See?
Toasted pecan in the actual. Okay. Yeah. So I'd be curious if lighting this one would create something like that.
Okay. Your turn.
All right. Let's go with honey pear crumble.
That matches. Look at that. Matches me.
Oh wow!
Look at that.
Yeah. You look like honey pear crumble.
Like my stage name.
It's honey pear crumble. Okay. Okay. We have caramelized pear.
I
Wow.
forgot they're on the front.
Caramelized pear.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet honey. And they use cursive cursive
yeah, the right
crumble topping.
Okay.
Light green. Ooh. The pear's is brighter than I could.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a little brighter than I thought. Because I thought it'd be caramelized. I like it. It's brighter than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little bit warm.
You know what? I thought the same thing when I saw this one.
I wonder if it's gonna, again with the lighting, but right now it's like a little brighter pear.
I do get a little bit of the honey in there.
I just don't get that caramelized pear.
Yeah, yeah. It smells more like a tart pear.
Yes,
that's what I'm getting too.
But I'm wondering again when you light it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So I think I'm going to go for this one. Matches you. You can be peach pecan waffles.
I like that idea.
Okay, this one is, those bifocals really do work. Baked peaches, buttered waffles, and warm maple syrup.
I hope it has that warm.
I get a lot of peach, but I also get a little bit of that warmth too.
Yeah, it's interesting. Both of the, it's a little bit brighter peach at the moment. It's not bright, but
the fruit is centered
but it has a little freshness that I wonder with the burning if it's gonna have that baked quality.
Yeah.
Definitely get the peach.
Well, you got to cook your fruit in order to.
Yeah, I think these need lit.
I think so.
In order to.
I think so.
Bring out those warmer, cozy, yummy notes.
I think that one is beckoning the candlelit kitchen.
I think it is, along with caramel pecan pie.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, peach pecan waffles and caramel pecan.
Oh my gosh, those would be perfect.
That would be perfect. Okay. My turn. Okay, I'll pick one you like.
Okay.
Toasted marshmallow and hot chocolate.
I do like that.
Scents are caramelized campfire marshmallow, gooey chocolate fudge, and vanilla cream. We'll see. I'm thinking these need to be burned and get the gooey parts.
Yeah.
All of them feel like so far.
Yeah.
They just need the warmth
to get
to get out that, because I'm getting the chocolate.
That's possible.
And marshmallow. I just think they need that. I think they need burnt.
Yeah, I agree. This one is actually, I'll have to say, this one is definitely the toasted marshmallow, I think, topping. You're right. It's not, it's like it almost smells like Nesquik or something.
I think it's going to be the burning.
I think so.
I really do think the burning is going to, I hope, because I think that's going to bring out the depth of these.
Okay. I'm going to go with apple cider.
Okay.
Because I like apple cider a lot. This one is autumn apple, spice cider, and cinnamon stick. Yeah, this one's heavy on the cinnamon. I like that.
Definitely.
Yeah, that one is really like a beveragey.
This is definitely spiced cider. Yeah. Yeah. I'm ready to drink it.
Yep.
It's perfect.
Yeah, and I have a feeling that might really pop too.
I think this is going to be good.
Yeah.
It'll be mulled apple cider.
Mulled, yes.
Okay, so I think...
We have the blue one and the red one left.
I think I'm going to go for classic apple pie.
Classic apple pie!
Yes, classic apple pie.
Okay.
And it has Macintosh apples, cinnamon sugar, and homemade crust. They did lattice work on that, we'll see. Ooh, this crust is buttery.
Yeah.
It's buttery apple pie.
Yeah. I think this is a new fragrance for them, this formula. That smells good. I know. I really like that one. That was one of my favorites when I unboxed these. It's a unique apple pie.
I really think that I think these need to be lit.
Yep.
And
experience.
Cooked. They need to be baked, is what they need.
Yeah, baked. The blueberry.
Ooh.
The blueberry pancakes.
All right.
Okay, this one is wild blueberries, sugary maple syrup, and warm pancakes. I really like this one. I actually like this better than the Bath and Body Works counterpart, because it feels more natural.
I was ready to say the first thing I said about the other one was confection.
Yeah, I think this one is actually more balanced.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is like, you get like the fresh berries baked in that.
Yeah, you really
pancake.
do. I know. I smell them. I smell more of like the actual pancake with the berries baked in.
Baked in it.
Yeah,
like, exactly.
I like that one a lot. I really do.
And I'm wondering if I bet a little more maple will come out with the burning. I hope.
Yeah. I really like this collection, I'll have to say, because it's like they did a good job with bringing together a lot of different like fruits, beverages, and bakery without being like cookies. You know, this is a unique collection because when I unboxed it, the first thing I thought was how fun that they gave us a little bit more of like the crumbles, the pies, the waffles, like the breakfast food is really what it is. It's like a breakfast collection. It's like, I mean, the bacon one is the
it's like a good homemade breakfast place.
Exactly.
And they have pies and stuff that you order on the way out.
Yes, exactly.
Eat a piece there and then take a pie home.
Eat a pie home, please. But it's such a unique collection because it really makes you like crave like that down home cooking.
Down home.
Yeah.
Country style breakfast and pies and
I think it needs to all be heated up.
I think that's what it really needs. I think we're gonna need to burn this collection.
I think we are. I really do.
Maybe we'll split it up and burn it.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Think?
Yeah, so we'll have to cook separately.
Yeah, you take half, I'll take half, and we'll put it together.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I know, because I'm really digging this actually.
I do like. I definitely want to see if the burning brings out
the other thing that I really like about it is instead of being like traditional fall, it's like cozy homey fall. Like it feels like fall, even though it's not like leaves and over pumpkin-y, you know, like that kind of stuff.
You're right. But it takes you like you're in an intimate space with the food.
Exactly.
Cozy. That is fall.
Yeah. So if you're someone who I know, like a lot of times we overdo the holidays. You know, there's
pumpkin
spice. Fall, pumpkin spice, this and that. I really feel like this collection captures the essence of the season without being overly commercial.
There's not one pumpkin in there.
No, exactly. I know, exactly. I know.
I just realized there wasn't one. There wasn't one with pumpkin.
I know.
In
We have blueberry, we have peach,
caramel,
pear,
pecan,
peach. I know.
Pecan, apple. Yeah, marshmallow.
That's amazing.
I like it.
I know. So that's what I like about it. So anyway, thank you so much, Goose Creek. We're gonna burn these.
Absolutely.
And see what we
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ciao, everyone.